In a bar of music, a time signature comes right after the clef, and a time signature has two numbers, a number at the top and a number at the bottom. Now, a number at the top tells us how many beats are in the bar. So if the top number is 4, that tells us there's 4 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the top number is 2, that tells us there's 2 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 1, 2. If the top number is 3, that tells us there's 3 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If the top number is 5, there's 5 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bottom number of a time signature tells us the note value of a beat. So if the bottom number is 4, that tells us each beat is a quarter note. So when you're counting the beats, you're counting quarter notes. If the bottom number of a time signature is 8, that tells us the note value of a beat is an eighth note. So when we count the beats, we're counting eighth notes. If the bottom number of a time signature is 2, that tells us the note value of a beat is a half note. So again, when we count the beats, we're counting half notes. If the bottom number of a time signature is 16, that tells us the note value of a beat is a 16th note. So when we're counting the beats, we're counting 16th notes. So the top number of a time signature can be any number because it's the amount of beats in the bar. It's the number we're counting up to. But the bottom number of a time signature has to be a note value. So if the note value of the beat is a whole note, we have a number 1 at the bottom. If the note value of the beat is a half note, we have a number 2 at the bottom. If the note value of the beat is a quarter note, we have a number 4 at the bottom. If the note value of a beat is an eighth note, we have a number 8 at the bottom. And if the note value of the beat is a 16th note, we have a 16 at the bottom.